Today's December 18, 2013 on Wednesday, 9:24 p.m. Pacific Time. And up next, Superbugs found breeding in China's sewage plants. Yuck. Ooh. This is from China. Tests at 2 wastewater treatment plants in northern China revealed antibiotic-resistant bacteria were not only escaping purification, but also breeding and spreading their dangerous cargo. Joint research by scientists from Rice, Nankai, and Tianjin universities found superbugs carrying New Delhi metallo-beta lactamus NDM-1, a multi-drug resistant gene first identified in India in 2010 in wastewater disinfected by chlorination. They found significant levels of NDM-1 in the effluent released to the environment and even higher levels in dewatered sludge applied to soils. The study, led by Rice University environmental engineer Pedro Alvarez, appeared this month in the American Chemical Society journal, Environmental Science and Technology Letters. "It's scary," Alvarez said. "There's no antibiotic that can kill them. We only realized they exist just a little while ago when a Swedish man got infected in India, in New Delhi. Now people are beginning to realize that more and more tourists trying to go to the upper waters of the Ganges River are getting these infections that cannot be treated. We often think about sewage treatment plants as a way to protect us, to get rid of all of these disease-causing constituents in wastewater. But it turns out these microbes are growing. They're eating sewage, so they proliferate." Ooh. That's disgusting. In one wastewater treatment plant, we had 4 to 5 of these superbugs coming out for every one that came in. Antibiotic-resistant bacteria has been raising alarms for years, particularly in hospital environments where public health officials fear they can be transferred from patient to patient and are very difficult to treat. Bacteria harboring the encoding gene that makes them resistant have been found on every continent except for Antarctica, the researchers wrote. NDM-1 is able to make such common bacteria as E. coli, Salmonella, and K. pneumonias resistant to even the strongest available antibiotics. The only way to know one is infected is when symptoms associated with these bacteria fail to respond to antibiotics. In experiments described in the same paper, Alvarez and his team confirmed the microbes treated by wastewater plants that still carried the resistant gene could transfer it via plasmids to other benign bacteria. A subsequent study by Alvarez and his colleagues published this month in Environmental Science and Technology defined a method to extract and analyze antibiotic-resistant genes in extracellular and intracellular DNA from water and sediment and applied it to the sites in the Hahe River Basin in China, which drains an area of intensive antibiotic use. The study showed plasmids persist for weeks in river sediments, where they can invade indigenous bacteria. It turns out that they can transfer these genetic determinants for antibiotic resistance to indigenous bacteria in the environment, so they are not only proliferating within the wastewater treatment plant, they're also propagating and dispersing antibiotic resistance, Alvarez said, and this is by Terra Daily. All I can say is you, superbugs breeding, sewage plants. Ooh, that's going to do it for this report. I think we better find out how they're going to get rid of these superbugs, because if they're using it in treatment plants, well, who knows where else this stuff is going to go. Yep, that's going to do it. Thanks for watching. Pink out.